What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and in today's video we'll be talking about a hands-on video on the Google Pixel 7 and the 7 Pro. Now it has been leaked and we know that it's a Google phone, so it's definitely gonna be leaked ahead of its time. Now these smartphones are expected to be launching in September anytime. However, with the usual Google leaks and extensive leak, there is a hands-on video by the Unbox Therapy on the YouTube, and you can also check that out in the link in the description below. Apart from that, the flagship smartphones from the Google lineup is Google has already been teased the smartphone in the Google I/O, which was earlier this year. And apart from that, the design of these phones are going to be identical to the Pixel 6 and the 6 Pro, but the camera module array will be having a slight changes to differentiate between the newer generations. Apart from that, these smartphones will be a tad smaller and thinner when compared to the 6 and the 6 Pro, and whereas the softwares and the weight of this smartphone is going to be the similar one. Let's hope this time that Google will put on a better weight balancing inside this smartphone, so it won't be feeling heavy as much they actually are. Well, apart from that, the Google Tensor 2 processor is also being expected, next generation Tensor chip inside these smartphones, which will again be a good upgrade from the company. Well, apart from that, we don't see any of the information about these phones right now at this point, but considering these smartphones, it will be an incremental upgrade from the Pixel 6 and the 6 Pro, whereas the price of these smartphones is going to be remain the same as the Pixel 6 and the 6 Pro. And also, in addition to this, the phone will be getting a 4 years of a Android update and 5 years of security patch to go against one of the greatest software provider, Samsung. Well, apart from that, the phone will also be coming with a base of 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage for the Pixel 7, whereas the 7 Pro will be coming with the 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. Well, this is again a very positive thing for the Pixel 7 Pro, as that is a $900 smartphone, and 12 gigs and 256 GB storage is indeed a good match for the price. Apart from that, the battery is going to be 5000 milliamp battery in the Pixel 7 Pro, which is again the very high on the higher side, and much improved signals on this Pixel 7 series too. Well, you will not be able to get a charger inside the box, so you have to definitely purchase the charger externally. And there are also some more things which can be coming true about the smartphone, but we are not still confirmed about that, so we will be not saying about them right now. Well, apart from that, the Pixel 6a is already available in India, so if you are wondering whether you should consider that by buying the smartphone, then you can also check out the link in the description below. Now, if you like this video, then do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.